Question: DS. What is the median element of set A? Condition 1. The number of elements of set A is 7. Condition 2. The fourth largest element of set A is 7. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. Definition of median. It is safe to say the median questions appear in every exam. So make sure you go over this lesson very carefully. One thing that stands out is how often E is a correct answer on DS questions involving medians. We'll take a closer look at those later in the lesson. The median is another type of center for elements in a set of numbers. 1. If the number of terms in a set is odd, the median is the middle number. When n terms are in a set and n is odd, the median becomes the n plus 1 whole over 2 term. 2. If the number of terms is even, the median is the average arithmetic mean of the two middle numbers in the set. When n terms are in the set and n is even, the median becomes n over 2 plus n over 2 plus 1 whole over 2 term. 3. You can have terms repeat within a set and it changes nothing about the above definitions of the median. The key is the terms must be in ascending order. 4. As stated previously, the DS questions about medians, E is the most likely answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We are asked about the median element of set A. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have a lot of variables, the number of elements in set A. To match the number of variables within the number of equations, we need a lot of equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will only provide one equation each, but more equations are needed, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. We are told that there are 7 elements, that are E of 1, E of 2, E of 3, E of 4, E of 5, E of 6, E of 7, which are listed from least to greatest, and that the fourth element is 7. That means median here will be E of 4, which equals 7. The answer is unique, so the conditions combined are sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are sufficient, thus C is a correct answer. On the actual exam, you should choose E as the answer. Although the correct answer for this question is C, it is 80% likely that E would be the answer. The variable approach is still the best way to maximize your score on the GMAT. Answer C.